Greetings, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel Snap Savings, your go-to source for financial enlightenment. Today, we're unlocking the mysteries of the digital frontier, how to start investing in cryptocurrency for beginners. Whether you're a curious newcomer or looking to enhance your crypto game, buckle up for an exhilarating journey into the world of digital assets. Rule number 1: Decoding the crypto universe, understanding the basics. Let's kick off our crypto adventure by understanding the fundamentals. In this segment, we'll decode the crypto universe from blockchain technology to the basics of how cryptocurrencies work. Get ready to demystify the magic behind digital assets. Mark's blockchain starting moment. Meet Mark, a crypto beginner who had his precious moment when he grasped the power of blockchain. How did Mark strategically enhance his understanding, and what lessons can we glean for our crypto journey? Stay tuned for valuable insights. Let's understand how did Mark strategically enhance his understanding of blockchain. Mark dove into educational resources, joined online communities, and started with small investments to gain hands-on experience. This strategic approach not only expanded his knowledge but also built his confidence as a crypto investor. Rule number 2: Navigating the crypto landscape, popular cryptocurrencies explained. Now that we're fluent in crypto basics, let's navigate the landscape. In this segment, we'll explore popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Get ready for a crash course on the digital coins making waves in the market. Sarah's cryptocurrency portfolio. Imagine Sarah, the diversified crypto investor. How did Sarah strategically build her cryptocurrency portfolio, and what insights can we gather for crafting our own crypto strategy? Stay tuned for a glimpse into Sarah's strategic approach. How did Sarah strategically build her crypto portfolio? Sarah diversified her investments across different cryptocurrencies, balancing risk and potential returns. This strategic approach allowed her to navigate the volatility of the crypto market and optimize her overall portfolio performance. Rule number 3: Choosing your crypto wallet, safeguarding your digital assets. As we gear up for our crypto journey, securing our digital assets is paramount. In this segment, we'll discuss the types of crypto wallets available, helping you choose the right one to safeguard your newfound treasures. Alex's secure wallet practices. Enter Alex, the security-conscious crypto investor. How did Alex strategically choose and set up a secure wallet for his digital assets, and what lessons can we learn to fortify our own crypto security? Stay tuned for insights on protecting your crypto kingdom. Let's explore how did Alex strategically secure his crypto assets. Alex opted for a hardware wallet, kept backups of his private keys in secure locations, and regularly updated his security measures. This strategic approach ensured that Alex's digital assets remained impervious to cyber threats. Rule number 4: Making your first purchase, a step-by-step guide. It's time to take the plunge into the world of crypto transactions. In this segment, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on making your first purchase. From choosing a reliable exchange to executing your buy order, we've got you covered. Chris's maiden crypto purchase. Meet Chris, the first-time crypto buyer. How did Chris strategically navigate his maiden purchase, and what insights can we gather for our own initiation into the crypto market? Stay tuned for the play-by-play of Chris's strategic entry. Let's understand how did Chris strategically make his first crypto purchase. Chris researched the best exchange platforms, started with a small investment, and used dollar cost averaging to mitigate price volatility. This strategic approach not only eased him into the market but also minimized risks associated with market fluctuations. Rule number 5: Riding the market waves, understanding cryptocurrency volatility. Crypto markets are known for their waves, exhilarating highs and challenging lows. In this segment, we'll explore the dynamics of cryptocurrency volatility and equip you with strategies to navigate the unpredictable seas of digital assets. Emma's tactical trading approach. Imagine Emma, the tactical trader. How did Emma strategically navigate the waves of crypto volatility, and what lessons can we learn for our own trading endeavors? Stay tuned for insights into riding the market waves. How did Emma strategically navigate crypto volatility? Emma set clear trading goals, employed stop-loss orders to manage risk, and stayed informed about market trends. This strategic approach not only protected her investments but also positioned her to capitalize on market opportunities. Rule number 6: Hodling for success, long-term investment strategies. HODL, it's more than a crypto slang, it's a philosophy. In this segment, we'll delve into long-term investment strategies, exploring the art of hodling and how it can be a key to crypto success. Jake's patient hodling journey. Meet Jake, the patient hodler. How did Jake strategically embrace the hodling mindset, and what insights can we extract for our own long-term investment strategies? Stay tuned for the chronicles of Jake's strategic hodling journey. How did Jake strategically embrace the hodling mindset? Jake conducted thorough research on his chosen cryptocurrencies, ignored short-term market noise, and stayed committed to his long-term investment goals. This strategic approach not only shielded him from short-term volatility but also positioned him for significant long-term gains. Rule number 7, staying informed, the importance of crypto education. In the fast-paced world of crypto, staying informed is your superpower. In this segment, we'll discuss the importance of ongoing crypto education, providing you with the tools to make informed decisions and stay ahead of market trends. Olivia's continuous learning routine. Enter Olivia, the perpetual learner. How did Olivia strategically incorporate continuous education into her crypto journey, and what lessons can we apply to our own quest for crypto knowledge? Stay tuned for insights on staying informed in the crypto realm. Let's understand how did Olivia strategically stay informed in the crypto realm. Olivia subscribed to reputable crypto news sources, joined online communities, and attended webinars and conferences. This strategic approach not only kept her abreast of market developments but also enhanced her ability to make well-informed decisions. Rule number 8, troubleshooting common challenges, navigating crypto pitfalls. No journey is without its challenges, and the crypto road is no exception. In this segment, we'll troubleshoot common challenges faced by crypto investors and provide strategic solutions to navigate potential pitfalls. Max's resolution to transaction woes. Meet Max, who encountered transaction hiccups. How did Max strategically resolve these challenges, and what insights can we gain for troubleshooting our own crypto woes? Stay tuned for Max's strategic solutions. How did Max strategically resolve transaction challenges? Max double-checked transaction details, contacted customer support promptly, and kept detailed records of his transactions. This strategic approach not only resolved his immediate issues but also equipped him to handle future challenges with confidence. Rule number 9, navigating regulatory terrain, understanding cryptocurrency regulations. As you dive deeper into the crypto world, understanding the regulatory landscape is crucial. In this segment, we'll explore cryptocurrency regulations, helping you navigate the legal terrain and ensure compliance with the ever-evolving regulatory landscape. Jessica's regulatory compliance journey. Imagine Jessica, who strategically ensured regulatory compliance in her crypto endeavors. How did Jessica navigate the complex regulatory landscape, and what insights can we gain for our own compliance journey? Let's explore how did Jessica strategically ensure regulatory compliance. Jessica kept herself informed about evolving regulations, used compliant platforms, and sought legal advice when needed. This strategic approach not only protected her investments but also positioned her as a responsible and law-abiding crypto participant. Rule number 10, evolving trends and future perspectives, staying ahead in crypto. Our crypto journey wouldn't be complete without a glimpse into the future. In this segment, we'll explore evolving trends and future perspectives in the cryptocurrency space, ensuring you stay ahead in this dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Michael's futuristic investment strategy. Meet Michael, the forward-thinking investor who strategically adapted to futuristic crypto trends. How did Michael position himself for future success, and what insights can we glean for our own investment strategy? Stay tuned for Michael's strategic foresight. How did Michael strategically position himself for future success in crypto? Michael conducted thorough research on emerging technologies, diversified his portfolio to include promising projects, and embraced a long-term perspective. This strategic approach not only protected his investments from obsolescence but also positioned him to capitalize on the next big trends in the crypto world. What insights did you gain from watching this video? And there you have it, how to start investing in cryptocurrency for beginners with a bonus on regulations and future perspectives. From understanding the basics to staying ahead in the evolving crypto landscape, you're now armed with a comprehensive guide. Thank you for being part of the Snap Saving community, where financial education meets the digital revolution. Until next time, may your crypto ventures be rewarding and your knowledge be your greatest asset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.